Let's go. Let's go to the waterfall, dude. Escondido Canyon Trail and waterfall. So in here you gotta be really careful when you go. So you go when you step, okay? So you go like this step, you stop because it's very steep, alright? Yeah. You slow down. You don't go like this. Oh.
Oh, your face is pink.
Huh?
Your face is kind of pink.
Yeah, yeah, because it's the sun. It's hot out there. Okay. Wow, look at that house, Abudi. Holy crap. That's a beautiful house. There's so many beautiful houses. Look at this.
It looks as big as Casa Rica.
This is bigger than our village. Yep. Now we're gonna hang up. This is the trail in here. We're off the asphalt. I think we probably walk like half a mile on asphalt road. Well, these hikers right there. Okay. Come this way, and that you go downhill, and we really go a little steep downhill.
Mommy, are we halfway there?
Kinda.
Quarter?
Almost.
Two quarters there.
2/3? No, we're probably halfway, babe. You know?
Probably like 1/4.
Yep, almost to Escondido Falls. And we'll just hike and hike. Go ahead, go up front.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Wow.
Oh, look, hummingbird.
Look
at the hummingbird. You see the hummingbird?
Uh-huh.
That's beautiful, isn't it?
At my school, there's like
Wow.
one made a carving.
Well, that's the state. That's the county. Probably did that. Just that way, nobody get lost. And they had the other, the other arrow, just
Wow.
another precaution. Yep.
I wish there was. I wish.
Keep going. Don't stop. Don't stop. Remember, we can't stop too much. Okay.
There was like 10 rocks.
We hike slow.
Oh, burp.
Poop alert. Yep, me and Abu just hiking. Going to Escondido waterfall. Goodbye, Abu.
Alright.
Bye, dude.
That's how you play it?
Later, bruh. Later, dude. Another dry creek. And it he took his hat. Put your hat on, please. Don't get sunburned like I did.
Like here. Hello? Right, look, there's a spider web right there.
Okay.
And we found an oak tree. Who do you think
It's
is...
a big oak tree.
Which way?
But you want to go that way, so we went that way. This is, I think, shorter than the other way. So you did good. It's already existing trail, so you did good. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So yeah. And the junction?
Yeah, are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording, buddy.
Okay.
Look at this beautiful flower. Alright. We're probably like a little bit over 2/3 from the trailhead to the Escondido Waterfalls.
What?
So, boob alert! Cool. There's a little bit water here. This is the first sign of water we saw, but the waterfall will not be running today because we didn't have no rain for the last million years here almost. I mean, actually, like the last couple of years was 2, 3, 5 years. It's really bad. So it's a little bit water in the creek, but the waterfall will not be running. So maybe we'll see a little bit pond or something. Like I said, this is the first time here, me and Abudi. Our first time. And we're almost there to the waterfall. Dry waterfall. And like literally, we're almost... this is spring, and we really didn't have not much rain at all in Southern California. Almost the waterfall. Maybe 100 yards or 200 yards so. Are we on it? Yeah, we're almost there, buddy. See, this is the up. This is the last segment of the... Alright, let's go. Alright, guys. Yeah, now we're gonna start. Now we're going back. The hike is over. People can go up and down. There. There's the waterfall right there. Bingo. It's up there too. 3 segments. And bingo. And voila, buddy. Hello. Yeah, keep going. Okay, you're up front now. Keep going. Alright.
So, before we were going to the waterfall, we came from the loop.
Yeah, we came from this direction, so.
And
right now
we're gonna go straight.
We're gonna go this way. Just for hell of it, you know, just for easy, buddy.
What?
You gonna go inside? Come and follow me. It's a dry creek right here. Come here, buddy. This thing's insane right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that, buddy. Woohoo!
Wait, can I go to it?
Yeah. Keep going. Keep going to the right, remember? We'll go right now.
Oh.
Yeah, remember that?
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Keep going. You're up front.
How many dry creeks are there?
There's a lot of dry creeks, dude.
We're almost there.
Okay, remember now what we're gonna do now?
What?
Remember, next to the party earlier we went downhill, now we're gonna go uphill.
Oh, that's the hardest part.
And here we go. What's the car, buddy? Here we go, dude.
Wonderful place.
Yep.
Look at the view.
Yep. Cool view from here.
Look.
This is the canyon. Big party going on there. Cause this is downhill. Now we're going down to the car, and the view is spectacular from here. Hi, buddy. So.
Oh my God! We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sailboats.
6 sailboats. That's a lot of sailboats, huh? Oh! Look to the left.
What?
See it? Look to the left. To the left. Right there, Woody. On the ocean. Count how many sailboats now.
1, 2. Oh yeah, 1.
Can't, yeah, maybe, yes and no. Come on. Keep going. We're here, guys. We got here. We're at the trailhead. The Winding Way Trail. Bark here, access to Escondido Canyon Natural Forest, 1 mile above the